Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good day in the market. It's Thursday, December 2nd. And we're gonna look at the stock market. Birds are flying 16% today. We'll talk about that. Some TA on GameStop. My Tesla position, options we got going on. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy money sticks around. GME's max pain is 195, down from 205. So it's coming down tomorrow. Probably be a little lower. That's our Twitter at HappyMoneyYT and our Discord server is in the description. Welcome to jump up on there. Yeah, SPY kind of had a bit of a bounce today after yesterday's crazy sell-off. Pretty good bounce actually, 1.5% up. I'm not sure if it's doing this same pattern with these lower highs. I mean, it's been pretty clear since 11/22. These just clockwork, lower highs coming down, lower lows. I'm not really seeing any indication. This isn't a divergence. 3160, 3157. Yeah, there's no divergences yet. Actually, that is a MACD divergence. So this could be kind of a bottom here for now, while it consolidates and then chooses to go up or down. Not a big divergence, but there is divergence on the MACD here. The lower low here and a higher low here. So on the daily though, yeah, just a lot of big candles. Big candles. Anyways, yeah, so maybe market might settle down the next couple days. We'll see. I mean, on the hourly, it is a bull flag, and we do have green over the 9 and bullish MACD. So, I mean, we had that yesterday too. We all see how that went. So, but this one might be more legit. I think this was just from Powell talking, so external event, can't really help it. Probably some calls on SPY would be merited. At least up a little further, so maybe some consolidation moving up, kind of closer to that 9 moving average up there before we come down. Wow, Birds is rallying right now. Thing is up 18% today. I figured if it started getting some attention, it could make back all those losses in one day. I haven't seen, there's no news stories or anything. No analysts are on it, no price targets, nothing. So this is just from, I don't know. Strange. People just see value in it and waiting to go long on it, I guess. Yeah, the option chain still hasn't really moved a whole lot. Not a whole lot of value. Our options are in the money on this. I have 7.5 calls. And I've got like 2 weeks or so on them, and they're not that valuable. It's weird. GameStop, on the other hand, I was looking at this. This has been a crazy 7 days. I don't know. It was like 30% loss. How much we came from 250 down to 173 in 7 days. That's huge. It's almost $100. And it could keep coming down further. Kind of clipped that. This thing's starting to get some volume. Some day traders getting in there or something. Kind of clipped that support level I was expecting. That 175 went just past it to 173, and then kind of the bottom of these candles are 177. So we'll see. Seems like today is consolidation before maybe some more downward momentum. Not really any divergences indicating a reversal. Not that it has to be, but one thing to look at. On the 30-minute, you can kind of see one here. Was it here? No. Oh, here and here. No, that's not a divergence. This is confusing because that dip is so low. Technically, there's one there. I don't know. Price action is looking like it's just kind of consolidating from yesterday's huge drop and probably going to keep coming down. On the daily, we don't have, it's not oversold really yet. We're at 40, so it's pretty stable. The only thing I do see is this, just how far it's pulled from the 9 moving average way up here. So as you see, like when it comes up here, it wants to kind of get back to that. So not sure if it'll continue this, how aggressive it will continue this downward move. But that 175, it could be lower. It could be more like 170 since it already hit that 173 pretty easily. And coming into earnings, I'll probably be getting, I'm probably be getting calls just like a normal earnings play. Maybe next week on Monday or Tuesday. kind of see where it's at. Today we're selling some calls. We have some bearish options set up. We'll go over those. When I was doing it earlier this week, I forget I need to do them closer to the money for them to gain value quickly. Helps being closer to the end of the week. But the options are all jacked up on GME. They are... the spreads on them are insane. The value, like the value, so I shorted 185s here, right here, somewhere like right around there, and then down here they were, you know, I was up 30% on them, and then from here to this just low volume, low volatility price action just to melt up. These things were back the same price I paid for them back here. With the time decay of the whole day, and there's only 1 day left, and the price is cheaper, they somehow were gaining value during all of this. So yeah, the options, I don't know. They just, I mean, I think Chicago is kind of messing with it a little bit, keeping them expensive and then swinging them, and definitely there's some arbitrage I think to be had there in the options chain, whether you're selling them or buying them, because you could have bought some right here 185s and been up 30% from basically no price action. Wow, Birds is really rallying. That's sick. Cool. Anyways, yeah, let's look at the options we got going on. So sold to close, let's see. Sold short. A call I sold? I don't know. I don't know what that is. I opened up a bullish play on it on GME. Yeah, this 182.5, 180 put credit spread. So yeah, these aren't really. Where is it? Oh, it's this one, 187, 190 put credit spread. Is that it? Oh man, did I close the wrong one? That's weird. Here's the shorted calls we did, and I did open up a bullish play on here. This was the old one we had. Weird. Not sure. The spreads are insane. They're just insane, the spreads. There's no way you can see like what the value actually is. I don't think this is it. It's this one. It's down 100% today. Uh-huh. Did I close it back out? I feel like E-Trade's maybe closing this out. Yeah, the 182, 180. Anyways, I'll look at that. Open up a call credit spread on Tesla as well as a debit spread, a put debit spread on it. I'm thoroughly confused by where the positions are going on there. Oh, this is it. Oh, it's a bearish play. So confused. And Tesla kind of setting up a bear flag. However, if the market does rally, we'll see. I mean, it's been bearish MACD, red under the 9. On the hourly, it's nice little bear flag. Excuse me. So this one is a call credit spread, 1080, 1085, and that has a month. And then also a put debit spread, 910, 960. So I've got a month for it to get down to basically that 910 range, and I just see a gap in there. So I'm thinking if we do have a pretty good market correction in the next 30 days, we'll see Tesla fill this gap down here. And if not, that's okay, because we have the call credit spread just needs to be below 1080 by a month from now. So here, I think it's probably going to come down some at least, just based on that TA and the market overall. Yeah, because I custom grouped these. I don't know, it's so confusing. Opened up some NEO puts, basically NEO bankruptcy puts, 550 for January, and they're talking about delisting Chinese stocks again, and NEO isn't taking it very well. I was kind of wondering if Tesla was going to rally on that, but it didn't. This thing's had a big sell-off though already, down 6%. And really down a lot already from its $66 high. It's at 35, but before we had all the EV hype, EV bubble hype, look, this thing was $1. So my puts are $4.50. It could go back there. I don't know. We'll see. This is a lot of volume on this downside. A lot of momentum. It is possible. I got 60 of those $5.50 puts. I mean, that's not a whole lot of time for us to get there, but we will see. PaySafe shares are up 5% today. Yay. TCAT's down 5%. Wish is up 2%. And then, of course, Birds. Birds up 22%. Holy smokes. Rally. Bought to cover. So here's the covered calls. Yeah, these things were crazy. I was up $800 on these at that low, and then right here, and then it just basically slowed down, and no time decay really happened in this area. They just gained value because from here to here they were like up 30%. So I should have closed them sooner. I basically made a little profit on them, but not the amount I was looking for. And okay, so here's, oh, now those finally get some premium. Here's a $7.50 Birds calls. We have 15 days on those, so those are, you know, in the money now. So they should move dollar for dollar, which is good. And then we have these kind of leaps here. And my bullish plays on GME that will be rolling. We've got, is this the one? Yeah, this put credit spread. Yeah, let's put credit spread 210, 217 and a half, which I will most likely be rolling tomorrow. And then this 205, 207 and a half, which I'll also be rolling tomorrow. I don't know why this, one of these I opened up today. Sold the close, sold short, 182 and a half. 182 and a half. Not to cover. I don't remember closing out of that. I guess I did. Oh yeah, okay, I did. I opened up a bullish, I did close it. Yeah, okay, I totally forgot. I opened up a bullish play and I actually just swung trade it and made a little bit. But yeah, these two, I totally forgot that I did that. So this one and this one I'm probably gonna roll. The 210, this is a big play, and I'll wait for GME to come back up to 215. Might be next week, might be 2 weeks, might be a month. We will see. But I think we're getting to a pretty good low now. So setting up put credit spreads and calls should do well. Here's our BBBY. Birds just hanging out. Yeah, that's what I got for you guys. I'm kind of space cadet. That GME thing totally threw me off. Like Corsair's getting some action. Oh, I did get some Corsair calls yesterday. I think I mentioned that in the video. Got these. I didn't get. Oh, these are old ones. Yeah, I got all these calls. Some leaps. Probably early to be getting leaps, but whatever. Put. So since it's so far out of the money, just like a 1 cent increase will give you, 20% or so gains, 12% gains, which is kind of crazy. We've done that with the banks, with the super far out of the money puts on the banks. So we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, GameStop looks good coming into earnings. I think tomorrow maybe a little more sell-off, more consolidation. On the hourly, it's finally kind of settled down. It was way oversold here. And we've got a bullish MACD, but I'm not holding out with too much weight. We still have all of our candles under the 9 moving average. We've kind of just set up floors and then come below it and then again and again and again. It looks halted right now. And SPY is doing what SPY will do. And Tesla, always sketchy going against Tesla. That's what I got for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on Discord. Peace out.